If your Kia K5 keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, you are not alone, and it is usually a simple fix. Statistically, 80% of these connection drops are resolved by changing the physical connection or updating software. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start by swapping your Lightning cable for a high-quality one and clearing any debris from your phone port. If the problem persists, check for pending iOS updates or a firmware patch for your Kia head unit. Deep system settings like resetting network configurations can often resolve persistent communication errors between devices. Most owners solve this at home, but if the USB port feels loose, it might be a hardware failure requiring a technician. As you can see, the data confirms that your cable is usually the weakest link in your infotainment chain. Always try testing a different phone to rule out a software bug specific to your individual device. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot on the go whenever your connection drops. Just remember that if your screen freezes during a reset, it will usually recover on its own without intervention. Try these steps today and your Kia K5 should be back to a stable connection. Thanks for watching.